Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite hair towels from M-bestl. So these microfiber hair towels come in a pack of 2 in a really nice blush pink color and white. It is very good, high quality. Another feature that I like is that it has these buttons that help keep it in place. These towels are 25.5 inches by 9.8 inches, and they absorb water very quickly and reduce the amount of frizz as opposed to other towels. I really like its turban design, which makes it very easy to put on and secure in the back with the button. Then I can just easily get ready for the day, either putting my makeup on or just getting ready for work while it dries. It also rolls very easily and it's compact in size, so it just fits in a back pocket for travel or to go to the gym. I hope your hair loves this towel just as much as mine does. And that's just my point of view.